Very good morning, everyone. So here I am with my analysis for 7th of December. So let's look into the charts. Yesterday, also as predicted, the markets were in a bearish mode and it traded in a negative sentiment. So let's see what the levels are for the day. As I said previously, it is expected that the market will be in a bearish to consolidation zone until the next of the week, as markets awaiting Fed rates decisions. So let's move on to the our entry levels for the day and also look at the charts. What's the charts letting us know. So here is the daily chart for the US. As you can see, this it has broken this support zone. If you see, this is flat. Okay, you see in such a way, it has already broken this support. That is 1650. Now this remains 36,680 to 700 remains as a very strong resistance for the day. And if we see on the MACD, it's still on the bearish side, on a sell side. RSI, even though it's looking a bit of comfortable, but still alone cannot do the business. Again, stochastic is also looking downsides. With the national movement is bullish, but it won't help until the MACD makes a change. So let's see for forward charts. The forward charts, the story is almost the same as daily charts. So since the opening of yesterday's trade, the market is moving within this range, 600 to 650 range. Just trading in that range, it's waiting for German markets to open up, and let's see what it uh, for the day. Maybe I guess the market might go up to 760 something from the candles. So that's what is expected. It will just try to swing along with the German market. So let's see. And for the 1 hour also is the same story. Only in 1 hour there is some sort of a bullishness in MACD and stochastic as well. Overall, everything looks. So as I said, maybe I'm expecting something around 20,700 to 760 zone, the maximum for the day until the US sessions. And after that, it can reverse. Let's go to the entry. So this is the entry levels for Dow Jones. So, before you to enter at 33,700, if it this for the entire day, if it holds on for 33,700, it can go up to 33,760, 820, and 890. I'm not favorable on this side, on the upside. Overall, the market trend is on a downside. Now, stop losses should be 33,6950. And short entries can be taken up 33,470. So the targets are 33,350, 33,250, and it can go beyond. As we are left with two more trading sessions for this week, maybe I guess if this trend continues, we can touch 32,960-80 zone. This is what I'm expecting. After that, the market can resume its trend in the next week following the Fed's decision. So, no trade zone is between 33,470 and 33,700. The overall trend for the day is down. Consolidation in the monthly chart. And the first support is 33. And resistance also remains at 33. So let's move on to the next chart, that is for the NASDAQ. So here is the chart for NASDAQ 100, and you see now since the morning trades, this has been trading in the range, and the city is still on a daily chart, still on sell side. and stochastic also is the same, but it's trying to be also. So maybe after it was a little bit more, we can see some sort of a bounce. That can happen when the German markets are open. At that time, some sort of bounce is expected. So the MACD is looking downside, so not expecting much movement. And the national movement is also on a bearish side. Our charts, is the MACD is trying to converge a bit. So some, as I said, maybe some bounces until 600, 660 or so. Differently, all this range. Let's and in this 1 hour chart only there's some convergence in the MACD which might show you some bounce, but the stochastic is showing an upside, and the RSI also the same. The national movement also in a bullish zone. So owing to all of this, let's see what is the trading levels for the day. So I would prefer an entry only above 11,690 on one side, and that is very small, 30 and 70. You can expect that is 11.70% of 11.20, and stop loss is 11,650. However, I do not see the markets going to 11,750 or 720 also for the day, as the overall trend remains on a bearish side. Any such moves will only be to not kill the short news. So, but ultimately it has to come down. So that is what the charts are indicating, and the indicators. Short entry you can take on 11,680, the entire there's some error here. So I have updated the tables. The short entries can be taken on 11,480, targets can be 11,440 and 11,380, and stop losses will be 11,550. Now trade zone between 480 and 11,700. That is 690, 700. That's the reason I put it 11,700. After retracement, you can enter at 11,690. This is what I meant. And daily trends remains down, and monthly and weekly trend is strong. Support is 11,500. It breaks, so you can see some fall, and resistance for the day is 11,660. And this is only after 30. So there are some data coming, but however these are not going to impact on this markets. Now let's look on to Germany 30. This is the chart for Germany 30, and we see here there was some corrections here, and now it is trying again to retrace to the upper side. So this is the only index that is showing some sort of information. And here the MACD on a daily, if you see, and on a forward chart, the 1 hour chart is trying to move up on a bullish move, and 4 hours it is just trying to converge. Similarly, the story on the on a daily, it's showing a bearish move. So any bounce would be sold off here also. So the story for the RSI is also just on a comfortable side, but the the stochastic is showing us push bought, so maybe we can see some sort of a bounce in this for a while, and then it can reverse. So this is the expectations here. Only the national movement is on the bullish side, plus in the resistance state on the downside now. Let's see the trading levels for this. So here a long entry is only preferred above 14,350. Targets can be 14,390 and 14,400. Long stop by low should be 14,280, and short entries can be taken on 14,280. and targets can be 14 2010, and stop loss is 40,000 straight at 40. Now trade zone is 14,350. The early trend is consolidation. The monthly weekly is, and stop support floor is 14,280, and strong resistance is 14,350 and 420. So that's all for this today. Thank you for being part of this. Please subscribe, like, and please let me know your comments.